make me all young and stuff.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. First, I need to talk about my shirt. My husband just said that it looked like something very naughty. Do you guys know what that might be? I'm never wearing it again. And secondly, I want to thank all of you who went over to my second channel and subscribed. I should be uploading a video either tomorrow or Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Anyway, to today's video, we go. We are going to try this. It's called Secret Lift, and it is an instant face, eye, neck, and jaw lift. I'm only interested in the bottom part of my face right now. But check this out. Look at those ladies on the bottom. That looks like magic, and I'll take it. My hair needs to be around my face because there are doohickeys that are gonna stick right here, and a band is gonna go around my head. Here are the sticky items. Looks sort of like those EKG stickers that go on your face, my face. And then here are the bands that will go around my head and underneath my hair. All right, let's get to this. Not too long ago, I did a video on those Asian face tapes where they make a V shape, and those didn't work that well for me. A lot of people made comments on, hey, stupid woman, try not wearing makeup before you put them on. Well, I'm not that dumb, just kind of dumb. I didn't have makeup on, and I wiped it with alcohol, which is the same situation as right now because we need to clean the area before applying. It needs to be dry and clean. I must tell you, I have read these directions before even starting this video because I could tell it was very confusing, for me anyway. But there's all kinds of things that you have to do in order to get it just right. I even had to watch a YouTube video to make sure that I didn't screw up. I'm kind of hoping it works and kind of hoping it doesn't. I'll tell you why. If it works and I look 10 years younger, it's going to be another thing that I have to do to get ready every day. Well, not every day. Here's the tapey things. Here are the blonde elastic hooking bands that I can't seem to get out of this package. Let's make sure the stickiness is on the inside so that I do not get speared by this sharp metal object. So on one of these heart monitor items, we stick the metal thing through, one side done. The other doohickey has a hook on it, and you are to hook one of these knots depending on how tight you want it to fit. Here we go. Taping stuff on my face to pull it back. So we want it kind of far back so that the metal thing doesn't hurt me. It's gonna be in my hair, for fuck's sake. Okay. Got it. And it says to really rub it on there so it sticks. Okay, I'm done. Next, I'm scared. Okay. So I imagine that when the day is done and you unhook these bad boys, okay, got to get my hair out of the way. Make sure that stuff in the back will cover. Where's a hair clippy when I need one? I really wanted to show you guys hooking back. Maybe I can't. Oh, look, Ava's scrunchie to the rescue. All right, here we go. Don't judge my roots in the back. Or do you want to see it actually being pulled back? I don't know. You guys got to choose. I say the latter. We're going to watch it make me all young and stuff. Okay, before. Oh, I made it really tight. And this is kind of uncomfortable. Okay, I did it. All right, it is really pulling. See that? There's folds happening on both sides. Let's try my hair behind my ears. It almost is disguised. This thing is kind of poking me in the head. Turn that. It makes this disappear more than anything. You do have to wear your hair down in order to cover up what's going on. But you guys can see it, can't you? Can't you see it? Should I have put them lower? There was really nowhere else to put them but here. That take 10 years off my face? I don't know about that. It is not comfortable, but I think you could get used to it. I feel like it is pulling my eyes, which is not a bad thing, but I really needed it to concentrate down here. Here is the attachment for the neck lift, which I haven't read up enough on to see if we want to give it a whirl. I think one place is enough for one video, right? Yep, the neck is here, but I don't have that much of an issue with my neck. Is there an eye lift? Oh, there is. Wait, she put it on the top of her head. Oh boy, step 8. There's friggin' 9 steps to putting this on. You may move the elastic band up or down as needed. Well, let's do that. Let's move it up or down as needed. My face just fell. I could feel it. Okay, let's not care about the hair and just put it where we want. So let's watch my face lift. Like a facelift. And we're not going to worry about the hair. I'm going to put it high this time. Oh, that I can feel. I care about the hair. But yeah, I can feel that for sure. Let's do this. I feel like it's doing weird things to my eyes, like pushing the under part of my eye up, making me look swollen. Let's go down a little. That's better. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking, would I go out wearing this stuff? Of course, with my hair down, but I don't know. What if someone were to see it? That would be mortifying. I could just say that these are left over from when I was in the hospital and they were trying to, you know, jumpstart my brain, going back under the hair. All right. So I am not going to take these off. I am actually, since they're on, going to wear them throughout the day. Otherwise, I'd want to peel them off and show you guys how much it hurt. But apparently these little sticky items are not cheap. Should I wear them for the day and come back and tell you guys all about it? All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna change my shirt before I leave the house, so I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right, you guys, so I wore these for about 2.5 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours, and I'm ready to take them off. I did get used to the feeling of having this on, but here I go taking them off. Oh, first I have to unbuckle it like a seatbelt. This reminds me that a lot of you have told me that there is a picture of me on Pinterest, and apparently my name is Diane, and I have very loose jowls. Thank you for telling me, and I've seen it, and I don't think there's anything I can do about it. Anyway, maybe they'll get a new one out of this. It's got some of my hair. Oh, ow. Oh, just be gentle. Oh, it helps to peel this way instead of this way. It's like a waxing. Oh. Uno. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Oh. Dos. I hope you enjoyed my counting in French. It's a little red. And there I am. I liked this much better. 30, 40, 30, 40, 30, 40. I actually think that this little contraption works. I think it's cheating, but it works. Cheating how? I don't know. Would I wear it again? Sure, it wasn't that uncomfortable. Anyway, you can buy this product on Amazon. Just look up Secret Lift Original. It does do exactly what it claims. It gives you an instant facelift. The only problem is it's temporary and it hurts. I have to give this product probably like an 8 out of 10. And that's because I didn't have high expectations. And it works. Maybe I'll try the eye one next. Maybe. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video on the instant facelift. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.